I was trying to figure out where all these scratches are coming from on this Conair 1875 blow dryer. See, it's just covered in them. And it's not my fingernail, because if I run my fingernail down it, it doesn't do that. I finally figured out what it is. It's the plug. If the end of the plug touches this at all, it leaves a mark. I mean, I barely just touched it. So, I would not recommend this finish at all. I'm going to return this because of it. Because, of course, when you're putting it in the drawer, this is going to touch. So, this, again, is just completely covered, and I've had it for a little over a week now. And finally figured out what was happening. So, I do not recommend this. I recommend, the blow dryer is great, but I recommend getting it in a different finish if they have it.
This is the Conair 275. Got high, low, hot, warm, cool. All this. Comes with this one.
Doesn't work on low, only works on high. Not on low, off.
Is it white or is it blue? It's not blue, is it? It should be, is it?
All the paint coming off the handle.